Elbows. Behind the head.
Does it work?
Let's try to get this. A little meat on top.
How does this thing
Babe, stupid.
Testing.
Alright.
Oh, whoops. That was
For the camera.
Oh, well, that was a game.
Oh my god. Still beats.
You made another hole in one.
It's very simple. Your hands, they just go like this, right? And your body, it moves with it. So you scoop downward.
I got this.
You scoop downward and then you can scoop upward, and you can. That's basically it.
Scooping.
That's the scoop. No.
Scooping away.
I don't. You're doing too much of like that. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
I don't see how we're scooping ice cream right now.
Am I doing it?
Why isn't this called just like the windshield wiper or something?
No,
we're not. No one's scooping though.
Yes, you are. You're scooping the opposite way. Why would you scoop like this? Oh wait, you could. No, that just looks
exactly. You could scoop so many ways.
Okay.
No, I don't like the way that looks. That looks too. No.
This is scooping upwards. We're scooping backwards.
Exactly.
We're moving forward.
So
We're swimming right now. So
we're doggy paddling.
It's called a scoop.
He's got it. He's got it down. See.
I think we should patent the R.J. Cooper dog paddle though. Can you teach us that one? What was that one? It's called like the drowning dog.
I like that. I like that.
Noises?
Just come and you gonna run it, and this is gonna be just look. It's gonna take over.
All right.
The scoop and the drowning dog is coming in, so you better get ready. And I ain't playing.
Don't let the dog drown.
Be ready, you guys.
Let it drown.
Scooping will come to you soon.
That towel boy
Keep the dog alive.
Keep the dog alive.
Keep the dog alive.
Keep the dog alive.
You guys are drowning.
Gotta keep the dog going. Keep the dog afloat.
It won't drown. You make that noise so it doesn't drown.
It's a fact, she lives in my lap. On my out cat, daddy sack. Bitches on my set, and you know them smoking bitches rolling. People got me open, rolling till I'm holding with my homies. Tell them where we going.